Alright, here we come to the elevators at the Ramada Plaza Hotel in Niagara Falls, Ontario. Starting in the basement because the first floor is kind of a bit crowded with people. These are older Otis Series 1. I rode these seconds ago and these things are actually quite in mint condition. Alright, we're going to go to 6. Here we are, 6. Look at that classic Otis leveling. Focus camera. Alright, let's go on to B. And then after that, we're going to get the scenic elevator. Now, this is a nice elevator for a basic Otis. Look in the mirror. Who do you see? Hi. Julian, aka Florida Elevators. You are definitely going to love this one. There's no phone in there. That is weird. Alright, here we're in the basement. Now we're going to send this up to 6 and we're going to get the glass elevator. Oh, I just missed that classic leveling. Unfortunately, this one right here does not have classic leveling. Aside from this one. There goes this one right here. Now we're going to get the glass elevator. And there goes the machine room. This is an Otis HIGHdraulic. I guess this one has an equivalation to the market parking garage. Here we go. Here we are, 6. Sir Otis. You can see all the way down. I'm not sure you can see the hydraulic ram. No, you can't see it well. Anyways, I'll show you the hydraulic ram at the end of this video. Anyways, similar to the internal elevator, I'm actually quite impressed with this. Normally, I used to not be a huge fan of older Otis Series 1, but now I think they're becoming a classic. Alright, we're going to end the video on M. And after that, I'm going to show you, we're going to go watch the elevator leave. And I'll show you the hydraulic piston in there. Now this one right here got your phone. But I don't get why the other elevator doesn't have a phone. Watch the button go out. Alright, we're going to send this up to 6. It cleared out this time. Excuse me. Alright. So there's the elevator right there. So look right there, you see what's underneath the elevator? That is your hydraulic piston right there. Look how huge that hydraulic piston is. This is in ground, I believe, not telescoping. This is definitely an in-ground. I believe it is. I'm not sure though, but I'm positively sure that this is an in-ground hydraulic elevator. So now you got to see the hydraulic piston. Alright, I'm going to 3rd floor. Sorry, guys. Alright, you guys take care and have a wonderful night. Alright, let's watch it close. There goes that one. And that's it.